What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we got a truck all the way from Louisiana coming in for a panoramic sunroof install on a, I believe, a Tundra. Waiting for the customer now. Alright guys, truck from Louisiana is in for a panoramic sunroof install. Tundra. That's what it's looking like right now. This customer did get a inbuilt sunroof installed down where he lives. He doesn't like it, and it's actually, this is one of those inbuilts, and it's actually messing up on him. It's flush here. You can see this side, how it's popped up. So it's giving him issues already since he installed it. So we're gonna go and rip this out, cut the hole up, put a panoramic in it, take out the headliner, rip it all down, take the headliner parts off. We're not gonna do no color matching, we're not gonna do no painting. I actually did find a headliner that's a little bit closer to this color here, a little darker, because this one's way off, you can see that. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with a little bit closer headliner. So alright guys, it's gonna be badass. First truck from Louisiana. I know my furthest truck that I had before for a regular sunroof install was Utah. This one beats it. So we'll make sure we take care of this customer. Get the headliner out. This is what it's looking like right now. We're gonna go ahead and pull out the whole sunroof assembly. We got the bracket installed. Damn, that's good. I'm gonna start the bodywork on top. I got the first layer of kitty hair on top, sand it down, and put a light filler of body filler. Prime it. We'll install the panoramic. Alright guys, she's almost done. Alright guys, bodywork's been done. You can see there. Time for the panoramic. Alright guys, the panoramic install is complete. It's 100%. Headliner's done. Bodywork's done on top. Everything came out good. It looks badass. It looks like factory. Let's check it out. There she is, guys. Came out real good. Real good. She looks badass. I'm gonna call a customer up, let them know it's ready to roll. guys, she's off. Another satisfied customer. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the Tundra, all the way from Louisiana. This is the furthest east that I've gotten so far. I don't know, we'll see, maybe someone will top that. But came out clean, customer loved it. Just took off right now, so appreciate the business, and we're gonna continue with the installs. We got a Nissan Titan truck. We're gonna be installing another panoramic. Customer brought his own Jeep Cherokee panoramic, so all I'm doing is charging him the labor. So stay tuned for that video. That one's coming up next week. Alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.